going on a walk, okay? Those look like a hobo going to walk. Let's go! So excited. Oh, it's raining! Rain, rain, rain. Rainy walk. These boots yesterday from Nordstrom. Rainy walk. Have all the fall leaves. Okay, for breaky, we have some bacon and eggs and my daily dose of coffee. Chick-fil-A sauce and ketchup and sriracha. Yum. Cheers. Hey, baby sushi. Why'd you move? I wanted to see you looking outside. Hello. Okay, so it's snowing outside. It's a little hard to see, but I'm like a Hawaii girl, so any amount of snow I get so excited. But anyway, I showered. I did my skincare routine. I switched into comfier clothes because I'm pretty much gonna do home stuff for the rest of the day. Baby Sushi wants to come up. I'm gonna do home stuff for most of the day. And it's Sunday now. I still have to edit yesterday's Vlogmas since I'm backed up. And so oh yeah, so my family is today. What did I say today? Well, today's Sunday. But my family is coming on Wednesday morning for my birth week. And then yeah, so I'm working Monday. So I work tomorrow, and then I just have like a mini work meeting Tuesday, and then I wanted to get my nails done. So I feel like most of the rest of the day today and like Tuesday morning will be my time to like kind of tidy up the apartment, clean up our guest room. Some of our family will be staying with us, some of them will be at hotels. Aw, baby sushi. So yeah, I have a lot to do. I'm gonna be editing and then tidying up for the rest of the day. So yeah. For lunch, we're having leftovers again because oh my god, they're serving so big. So shrimp and Colby there, garlic chicken, OJ and water. I'm about to upload yesterday's Vlogmas, so that's that. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, so ready? Today is the 4th. So here we are.
Four.
Here you go. This one.
Treat or toy?
Ready?
Treat. Ooh, that's a lot.
Treat.
Is it multiple small ones?
It's stars, I believe. Mini stars. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. That's a big chunk of stars. Okay. Ooh, be careful. Hang on. Ooh. Oh my god, I think it fell. A star fell. Here. Wait. Here. Slowly. Ooh, yummy. Whoa. Whoa. Take your time. There you go. Good job. Dinner time. Sushi's dinner. Bay's dinner and my dinner. I'm so Asian, I always need rice. With ponzu sauce. Thank you for dinner, love.
Welcome.
Yummy. That was such a filling dinner. I'm really full now. And I work tomorrow, sadly, so we're gonna call it a night. Just gonna chill and get ready for bed. Say goodnight to the vlog, Sushi, and see you tomorrow.